G'day guys, Corey here from Designs by Far. Welcome back to another video and a brand new year. I hope you all had a fantastic holiday, and we are here today with what is going to be a super exciting project. Lian has a brand new case. And guys, do you know how popular the O11 Dynamic was? So we can't wait to show you guys a build inside this new case. I'll leave it at that. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope you all enjoy. You know what's more exciting? Today's video sponsor, NordVPN. Go to nordvpn.com/designsbyfar to get yourself a 2-year plan plus 1 additional month on a huge discount. Access TV shows, movies, and more by selecting different regions to connect to. For example, get your daily dose of the Great British Baking Show, which is not available here in Australia. When playing your favorite game, RuneScape, a DDoS attack could happen, slow your connection, make you DC, and you'll lose that Dragon Fire Shield which you spent 24/7 trying to grind that thing up while your mum was nagging at you every single day to put all your clothes away and clean your room. You want to avoid that. These are just some of the many features that NordVPN can assist you with. Go to nordvpn.com/designsbyfar to get yourself a 2-year plan plus 1 additional month on a huge discount. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Guys, we're back at it with another Z690 build, this time trying out the brand new ROG Maximus Z690 Hero motherboard from Asus. Asus has done a fantastic job with their Z690 line of motherboards, implementing mounting holes for previous generation coolers, as well as the LGA 1700 socket. Let's also not forget how good looking this is. I wish I could say the same about myself. The i7-12700K is Intel's latest i7 processor on the 12th generation platform. The CPU has 12 cores, with 8 of them being performance cores and 4 of them being efficient, all supported by a total of 20 threads. I tell you what, after the Christmas holidays, my belly could certainly use some efficiency. I could certainly lose a core amount of it. Our Seagate FireCuda 520 NVMe is our choice of storage. Seagate does have their FireCuda 530 available, so this is not their fastest storage option, but it's the start of the new year, so everyone is allowed to start a little sluggish. Ooh, the gold of PCs right now, DDR5 RAM. In particular, a 32GB set of Kingston Fury. This particular set is running at 5200 MHz CL40. Speaking of running, let me know what New Year's resolutions you guys have down in the comments. Continuing with the success of Lian's line of O11 cases is the new O11 Dynamic Evo. It is quite dynamic in its features. They have evolved for the better. Jeez, I'm really getting good at these. We decided to use the Lian Unifan AL120 fans as they look really sleek, have great performance, and they also daisy chain together so that you only have to use one cable for the power and one cable for the lighting. I guess you could say I'm a big fan. the CPU, we have the brand new Asus Ryujin 2 360 all-in-one cooler. We have a cool little LCD screen that we can customize to our liking. So there is certainly no need to be a Asus person about this product. Asus. Our GPU powering those good gaming pixels is the Asus ROG Strix 3070 Ti. With 8GB of GDDR6X memory, a boost clock of 1875 MHz, and an all-round good-looking design. Kinda like me right now without the good-looking design. Get it? So I'm just all-round. Our next item is a GPU support bracket. I wonder if they come in human size after the holidays we just had. Our good friends over at Meg DIY sent this over, and they also wanted to provide our audience with a discount code if you were interested. Code IFR for 12% off. Powering everything is the brand new Asus ROG Thor 1000 watt Platinum 2 power supply. It is such a shame that this power supply will be hidden at the back because the design of this is incredible. One thing about this power supply that I would like changed is the sleeved cables. The thinness of the wire and sleeve used looks so bad considering it is such a premium power supply. I'd honestly prefer to have the stock cables over these because they look cleaner. We could even use a thicker cable and sleeve like 14 or 16 gauge. That would make it look so much more premium, but I understand there's added costs involved to that as well. Speaking of premium cables, see how much better and well done sleeve cables look. It's not a bunch of spaghetti, each wire is held in place to look clean, there are no gaps in between because the wires and sleeving are the right thickness. So if you'd like to get your own cables from Skippy's custom PCs, use code IFR15 for 15% off. So there you have it, guys, a brand new build inside the Lian O11 Dynamic Evo. I really hope you all enjoyed this build video. Consider joining our Discord. We've got a few giveaways that we are planning and they're coming up really soon, so you won't want to miss that. I'll see you guys all over there. We're over there right now at the very launch of this video, so we can't wait to see you guys. All the specs will be left in the description. If you'd like to support the channel, Patreon or YouTube channel memberships is the best way to do that. Helps us out greatly, especially to afford like all of the acrylic and materials that we use in builds. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you all in the next one.